Orthopedic issues are many, like what I want to say it could be bony tumorous condition, it could be arthritis, it could be fractures, it could be osteoporosis, it could be vertebral spondylitis, spondylosis, or spondylolisthesis. These are the various diseases which we see it in the bones and bone tendons, tendinitis, and then de Quervain's disease, and then periarthritis in the shoulder. So, one, you must know that if you strengthen your bones with a regular exercise and the good nutrition, your bones and joints will be powerful, and they handle they will be they can handle, or they can take care of any untoward incidences like injuries or any other cause which cause the damage to the bones and joints. So obviously, the every muscle and tendon and the bone should be healthy. To maintain the healthiness of the bone, you have to give a proper nutrition. You should take a proper balanced diet, supplementation of vitamins, calcium, and vitamin D, and then you need minerals and sufficient water content. And then you should have a balanced diet like carbohydrate, protein, and the fat. So apart from that, you should do a regular mild, moderate, severe exercises wherever necessary. So those exercises will help you to maintain the strength of the muscles, tendons, joint capsules, and the components in the joints, and as well the bone nutrition. So once the activity is good enough every day, then there is the circulation of the blood to the bone, and circulation of the blood, and strengthening of the ligaments and tendons and the muscles will be good. So if you don't take care, or if you don't do exercises, then there will be dystrophy or atrophy of the muscles and tendons, lead to damage to the bones. So these are the various needs you need to take care. 1, nutrition; 2, exercises; 3, padding of your knee joint, ankle joint, and whenever you are in the sports activity. When you are in the sports activity, you should well train to take care of yourself during the training as well as the competitive sports activities, to avoid untoward injuries, accidents. So obviously, the quality of bone to maintain, you need to expose to the sun rays at least for 15 to 20 minutes, large area of your body skin, so that the good quantity of vitamin D will be absorbed through the skin in the form of cholecalciferol. It will maintain the strength of the bone and other the tissues in the body. The calcium, you need to take a good calcium products, good milk, green salads, green vegetables, and balanced non-veg, so that you can maintain the strength of the bone. So obviously, when you maintain the proper nutrition to the food and proper exercises, your bone strength will be good enough.